we go? There?
Well, I need to look taller. So
it's literally to scale. That is like to scale. In this video, I've come down to a Jaguar Specialist, Wraptor Customs, to talk through what the difference would be if I took my Jaguar to them rather than a dealership. So really we're looking at Jaguar Specialist versus Jaguar dealership, and what is the difference in the cost for the repair. On the topic of cost, I think it's important to explain why my car's gone to Jaguar and not to a specialist. The main reason is warranty, because I have Jaguar warranty. Now I appreciate that most people watching this channel will not have a Jaguar warranty and looking for a solution. So this video is sponsored by ALA Insurance. ALA Insurance offer multiple different levels of their warranty, but I had a look online and I could qualify for their platinum warranty for my Jaguar F-Type. It's nearly £1,000 less than my Jaguar approved warranty. So I thought, well, I best send them a quote and see how much they will cover under their warranty. And it actually turns out they'll cover over £7,000 worth of that quote bill that Jaguar have sent to me through that warranty. If you're looking for a solution, make sure you check out ALA Insurance. I've put all the links in the description below, and if you use my discount code WILL10 at checkout, you'll save 10% off the whole site. Do you understand what went wrong with my car? Because I don't really understand.
yeah.
Do you want to explain to the... Yeah, should we get parts? Yeah, let's get parts.
Show you actually what's gone wrong.
We can, yeah, okay. Should we go to this table?
What's gone wrong on Will's car? Well, one of these. This is a high pressure, direct injection, very modern way of injecting fuel into the engine. And Will's car being a V6 rather than the V8, it has 6 of these, and just one of them has gone wrong. Now, to remove it is a fairly simple job in theory. You should be able to do it in a couple of hours. However, they seize into the engine. This metal piece here rusts into the cylinder head of the engine. So when you try to extract these things, even with the proper tools, such as this very specific puller, which is designed specifically for this injector, it's just a plastic cap, don't worry. Even if you use a special tool like that, what happens is they snap at the thinnest point just here. So that's actually the end of an injector here, okay? So we've tried to extract that and it's snapped obviously at the thinnest point there. So a lot of that thickness, which is less than my small finger there, is just plastic. The metal inside is a tiny, tiny straw about 1 millimeter thick, that's it. So there's no surprise when they seize in, they snap. Now, really, these are designed to be in the car for a lifetime.
Fine.
But they do fail, and then when you go to change them,
yeah,
well, the weaknesses haven't really designed to be replaced.
Fine.
So there's ways around it. Special pullers, etc. Special engineering tools that we've made to get them out. And then there's a stage further to that, which we then actually fabricate something per injector, weld it on, and then it kind of pulls out like this one come out with the engine and cylinder head still assembled. Because the other way to get this out would be to remove the cylinder head, which is very, very labour intensive.
Jaguar have quoted me, and I think this is the biggest difference between your quotes and Jaguar's quotes, right? Is Jaguar doesn't fix parts, basically, is what I'm seeing. Is that when they have a problem with a certain part or element of the full, whatever it might be, they just quote, we're going to take that out and put a new one in. And that's why I seem to have such a high cost, which is, we're still at around 10 grand, and I actually haven't had much of an update from Jag. As far as I'm aware, just to clarify everyone, I don't think they've actually taken the engine out like they said they were going to. They're still, I'm going to be politically correct here so I don't annoy them, because I know they watch this. They're just taking their time, because, you know, they're busy.
Oh, do you mean taking the
No, absolutely not, absolutely not. They're just being really particular about how they do it, and because they're being so particular about it, they're going to take longer than probably the 4 months that they've said.
4 months.
Yeah. So is that basically what I'm understanding? Is that because originally I had it was an exhaust valve issue which started this whole thing off.
Yeah.
And then they quoted me for like a whole exhaust. I mean, let me double check the quote. It says the silencer exhaust £2,000.
Yeah. for a pretty rubbish exhaust that valves seize up on.
Yeah. So they're quoting me $2,000 for the same thing that's broken, just to put it back in that's new. And then the other big quote that they've done is remove and refit right-hand cylinder head, and this is to do with this, right?
Yes.
So they've quoted me for that just over £4,000.
It looks like they've quoted just over £4,000 plus VAT in labour plus parts
for the remove and refit of the hand cylinders
to basically fix
that, which you could have taken out with your tools potentially.
Yeah.
And fixed in. Be honest, if I bought that car to you, what would be the time that I could expect to?
I mean, we'd charge up to a day's labour, so up to around £650.
Yeah.
Plus the part, which we can get genuine parts like this. So
Yeah.
this original Bosch injector is what comes from factory.
Yeah.
It's from Bosch, not from Jaguar.
Yeah.
At about 30% of the price.
Fine. Yeah, we'll touch on the.
Yeah.
So we're getting there. Replace number 4 injector was £432.
Okay.
And the parts used was the injector at 16 quid, the screw at 6, and the kit injector rep at £266.
So they've tried to replace the injector for £432.
Failed, and it snapped.
Failed. Right.
Yeah, so they tried to, and then it snapped, and now they're having to take the engine out.
But surely they're quite experienced and they knew it was going to snap, right? Because they work on Jaguars every day.
Yeah. Should we just go for the full summary?
Yeah.
And the time period of what it takes, right? So we've gone through the injectors,
Yep.
which is mainly the problem. So Jaguar have quoted me, and this is the eye-watering amount. It currently says owing. I am 99% sure I will not have to pay for any of this because of how this problem came about. It came after a service, after a repair, 2 miles down the road it went bang. So I feel like it's a Jaguar issue and it's their problem to fix, not mine. But current owing is £9,871.96.
I've got some change if that helps, Will.
It would, I'm not going to lie. I've looked down the side of the sofa in case. But yes, that's a fair amount of cash. And I must say, when I bought this F-Type, I'd heard of horror stories of people who had bought the car, the engine had gone bang, and it cost them 13 grand from Jag to get a new engine. I'm sure you've got a quicker way and a cheaper way to do that. But looking at my cost, right, bear in mind it's nearly 4 months since I gave them my car, and I still haven't had it back. So I've lost the whole summer. What would be the cost had I come to Wraptor Customs to get my Jag back on the road?
Running, get
And my
it
exhaust.
on the road quicker. So I've got a quote here just for the injector. I'll talk about the exhaust in a minute.
Go on then. Yeah, fine.
The price and the turnaround would be about 2 days maximum. And I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's
I'll put it on the screen.
£998 including VAT.
Yeah, so when I sent this to Dudley, I did reply being like, no, I don't think you've understood. Jaguar quoted me 10, you've quoted me less than 1,000, something must be wrong. Turns out, no, that is actually just it. And I was like, oh, maybe you've missed the labour, and that was just me not reading. No, labour's on there as well. That's not a quote specifically for me, is it? If anyone had come to you with that, that would have been the same quote for them as well, for that injector.
We're making money off doing the repair.
It's not I haven't got a discounted anything like that for this, so don't at me for that. Right, so we've gone through the injectors, we've gone through that part. Obviously another part of that, and the main issue that started this was my exhaust valves were sticking.
Okay.
Took it to Jag, put it in for a service, and then they were like, yep, these need to be replaced, we'll replace it under warranty. I was like, wicked, great news, this would be fantastic. 4 months later, I haven't seen my car. So, do you want to talk through how that would work with here? So if I bought that car to you, what that journey would look like?
So again, rather than just replacing a whole massive unit for a very expensive piece, we have the ability to fabricate, engineer and replace things. Now the standard active exhaust valves on the F-Type are a nice touch, but actually the system is rubbish and not reliable whatsoever. So these valves, they rust, they seize, they squeak, they snap, and even when they do work properly, I find they're a little bit sloppy and they don't fully do what you want them to do because they're vacuum operated. I won't go too technical about that, but it's a bit of a slow, sloppy responding kind of system. So again, what we would do is we would cut out those standard, probably failed valves, and then we would weld in our own superior quality stainless steel active exhaust valves that are electronically operated by little motors. So it's instantaneous, they've got more torque, they don't tend to seize up, and that would cost £600 plus VAT, rather than needlessly replacing the rest of the
So what they're doing is, as you quoted, taking the broken valve system for £2,000 out of it. They're putting the broken or the not very good quality back in. Or I could have come here, spent £600 and got a more superior system, and it would have been better.
Yeah. Again, the valves that fail, they're
the
size of your fist.
I'm seeing a theme.
And the valves that fail, they're probably the size of your fist. There's two of them, okay? And the bit they're replacing is the whole rear section exhaust.
Yeah.
You know, it doesn't need it, but that's how the part comes. That's the instruction that they follow, and that's what you get. That's the only option they have.
Fine. Okay. So we're looking, let's say, all in all, for the total repairs, labour, the lot, is probably less than £2,000.
Oh yeah.
Coming here.
Yeah.
Versus going elsewhere. Well, going to Jaguar.
Compared to your main dealer quote.
Going to the main dealer, yeah. And this is what the main dealer versus Jaguar Specialist. Something else we wanted to talk about as well is that there is a raffle going on with Wraptor Customs. First prize is a full exterior wrap. I actually entered this before I met Dudley. And Dudley was telling me like, oh, it'd be really good to talk about this, see if we can get some more tickets. So I wanted to tell you guys, I've entered it, so if I win, it's not rigged, I promise.
Yeah,
like, I bought my tickets before I knew Dudley, so please, please.
I did ask Will if he would mention the raffle in the vid. I go, we're having a raffle. He goes, oh, I've entered. I'm like, brilliant.
Yeah, so if I win, it's not rigged, I promise. But yeah, if you want to enter the raffle, I'll put the description below as well. Make sure you check that out. Tickets are, I can't remember how much they are, but they're not crazy amount at all, and it's worth it when a wrap like this would be what?
That's sort of a £2,000 plus VAT wrap, something like that.
So, yeah, £2,500 give or take. So yeah, all the information in the description below. We're going to end the video there. Hopefully this has all made sense for you. If you've got any questions, feel free to message Wraptor Customs. I'll put their stuff in the details below as well, so you can head over and speak to Dudley. They've got an Instagram page, YouTube page as well, so make sure you subscribe to them as well. Otherwise, I will catch up with you all very soon. Video coming next week. Thank you very much. See you later. Goodbye.